Assalamu alaikum. The Quranic verse, as cited above, states who else but God listens to the prayer of those in trouble when they are muttar, mustir. Mustir, the distressed, signifies that person who sees himself engulfed in trials from all directions and does not see any physical or worldly way out for himself and only sees the way of God as his solution. Mustir does not simply signify one who is perturbed at not finding any way out. Rather, mustir finds a ray of light and runs towards it, and does not signify a person who runs around haphazardly when surrounded by fire. This way, he can fall in that fire. Mustir is one who sees a specific light in times of trials and tribulations and follows it. God states that he is the cooling shade for the mustir that saves him from the fire. We should turn to God with the firm conviction that he will take us out of troubles. As the promised Messiah alayhis salam said, amazing peculiarities become evident in your support. One who becomes the kind of mustir who does not acknowledge or recognize any other refuge other than the refuge of God, and does not acknowledge or recognize anyone other than God as a savior from trials and tribulation, is a true mustir, and his prayers show wonders. In such situations, God runs to the mustir and removes his troubles. His problems vanish. Whether communal or personal, it is not that God only removes the troubles of such people. In fact, when he confers his blessings on them, they are limitless. Here in the verse above, God states that not only will he remove the troubles of true believers who are in difficulties, but also promises to make them successors in the earth. God ruins high and mighty tyrants and gives prominence to those in their place who appear meek. Thus, he removes personal and communal troubles. For new updates, subscribe to the channel and share the video. Be sure to give your feedback in the comments section. YouTube channel Islamic Guidelines Info.